Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome again, and we thank God for the beautiful time He has given unto us, despite the many challenges. Thank you so much even for making time just to listen to your teachers, to see what we're doing for you. We really miss you. And I'm very sure you're missing us. We are really praying that God will give us a reprieve of this so that we can go back to school and learn and jump and run and have fun together. This term, our theme is trust. Trust means believing even though you don't know what is happening. So we want you to have trust in God, not in anybody else, but in God. So as we trust in God, I want us to start our lesson. And as we start our lesson, I want us to have fun and sing together. Kindly stand up wherever you are. We sing songs that we know and clap and jump. So 1, 2, start. Today is my favorite day. God made it a special day. I love tomorrow and yesterday, but today is my favorite day. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Hooray! How are you, my dear friend? How are you today? We shall dance in a circle. I'll show you today. La 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 la. I'll show you today. I'm squashing on my baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm squashing on my baby bumblebee. Yuck! It's messy. I'm wiping off my baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm wiping off my baby bumblebee. Yuck! It's still messy. I'm washing off my baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm wiping off my baby bumblebee. Wow! It's clean now. Yay! Fly away, bumblebee. He's got the whole world in his hands. 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 Heavenly Father, you are wonderful. You are marvelous. You are excellent. We worship you, Lord, because you're wonderful. And you make us sing a song. He's got boys and the girls. In his hands, he's got the boys and the girls. In his hands, he's got the boys and the girls. In his hands, he's got the whole world in his hands. Heavenly Father, you are wonderful. You are marvelous. You are excellent. We worship you, Lord, because you're wonderful. And you make us sing a song. And you make us sing a song. Well done. Hello, children. Once again, I'm back. I would like us to remember what we learned yesterday. We learned our sounds. And by recalling our sounds, we're going to sing a sound song. Get ready, let's sing together. Shake, shake the mango tree, the mango tree, the mango tree. Shake, shake the mango tree. Down fall the mangoes. Abukudu, efu, guha, ijuku. Opo queer soto avo wukso yizo. Shake it again. Down fall the mangoes. Very good, children. When we are reading, we use sounds to make words. We learned how to make simple words like, I would like us to look at the chart in front of me and read the words. Let's say it together, but before you say it, sound it. Let's start together. B-A-T. The word but. Let's read the next word. T-A-P. Say it with me. T-A-P. The word tap. Tap. Let's say this. V-A-N. The word van. Van. W-E-B. The word web. Web. T-E-N-S. The word teens. Teens. D-O-L. D-O-L. The word doll. Doll. S-E-X. The word six. Number 6. Very good, children. Now, when we use the words, we can make short sentences. Simple sentences that can guide us to learn to read our books. For example, what can you see on the chart, children? I believe you said a cat. This is a cat. So when we look at the sounds, this is eat, eat, is, a cat. It is a cat. And here is the picture of a cat. Let's read again, children. It is a cat. Let's try again, children. The tree has roots. This is a tree, and these are the roots. Let's read together. The tree has roots. Very good, children. We will take more practice on reading sentences. Children, let's read the sentences together. Number 1. A red car. Let's read together, children. A red car. Number 2. It is a pot. Children, let's read together. It is a pot. Very good, children. Number 3. This word is they. They. The sun is hot. The sun is hot. Well done, children. Number 4. 6 big dolls. Again, 6 big dolls. That was nice reading. Very good, children. Today we want to go to a sound that if we put together, it makes a totally different sound. O and O make oo. When O meets O, it says ooh. 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 So when you take sound B and ooh and you put K, it says B, oo, K. The word book. Book. When we take sound R, we put oo and F. It becomes roof. Roof. When we take R and oo and m, it becomes R, oo, m. R, oo, m. When you take sound H and oo and k, it says ook, hook, hook. P, oo, l. It becomes pool, pool, like the swimming pool. When you take B, R, oo, m, it becomes brr, oo, m. Say it with me. Brr, oo, m. Very good, children. Now, because we can read on and on and on, I want us to make a few sentences like the ones I have made. You can see I took the word boots. Boots. I made a sentence. Father has red boots. Children, read with me. Father has red boots. Very good, children. Number 2, I've used the word look. Look. I have made a sentence. Look at him. Again, look at him. Number 3, I've used the word food. Who loves food? Yummy food. Food. The sentence I've made is, the food is hot. Clap for me, children, because I'm a clever teacher. Now, your turn, children. I'm going to post this work. You too will make sentences for me. Nice sentences. Think of simple words you can join to make sentences using the oo words. Thank you, children. And I love the way you followed up my lesson. I hope to see you next time. Before we leave, I would like us to sing our last song so that we can recall our sounds again. Get ready, children. Shake, shake the mango tree, the mango tree, the mango tree. Shake, shake the mango tree, down fall the mangoes. Abacada, F, G, H, I, J, K, O, P, Queer, S, T, Av, Wooks, Yes, shake it again. Down fall the mangoes. Bye-bye, children. See you in our next lesson.